This 2021 Leisure Travel Unity 24RL is a Class B RV. It is located in Orange Park, Florida, 32073 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used leisure travel is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 3 and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2021 Leisure Travel Unity 24RL is built on a Mercedes chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.